I'm cleaning the offices, and every week this bird comes here like this and just stares in, and sometimes he taps on the door. I don't know what he wants, but when I go out there, he flies away. Watch, I'll walk close to the door and he'll back up. And then I come back. And he comes right up to the door. So weird. I am home, but not without stopping at Walmart first. And my house is a mess. I have to clean my house. This is... Say hi! Hi! My mess, my kitchen. So I stopped and got milk, Salisbury steak. Put the milk away, please. Okay. And this stuffed crust pizza. We like to have this tonight. We'll have Salisbury steak tomorrow. And then I got the dogs their greens. And I got their wet food. And I got me a new chapstick. And I got a roll of paper towels, dry dog food, and 2 things of aluminum foil. We're getting ready to go to church. I have to go clean, get ready for food bank, and then we have to move everything for decorating next Sunday for Christmas. But I tidied up the house a bit, got both the tables cleared off. Tina's putting the potty pads down for the monsters. Huh, T? Mm-hmm. There's the monsters watching. Hello, friends. We are home from church. It is almost 7:30 and Tina already went to bed. She was tired. I am tired. I can barely keep my eyes open. But we are having our Thanksgiving potluck at church tomorrow. So, guess what I am making? I've got this big bad boy and 4 cans of green beans. Gee, wonder what that would be. I'm making green bean casserole. But I'm not making the traditional green bean casserole. I found this recipe on the internet. It's to make it without onions because my sister-in-law is allergic to onions. And I made it last year and everyone at church liked it. So I thought I'd do it again this year. So I was talking to a friend today and he was asking me if I was happy with my channel being small or if I wanted to grow it. I want to grow it. I said, but it's hard because my life is so boring. But he said sometimes boring is what sells. I don't know. I know my life is boring, but others might find it peaceful. I want my channel to be like Kimmie from She's in Her Apron. I absolutely love her. I love Sophia from My Great Challenge. I love Sam from Happily a Housewife. Let's see, who else do I really like? Christy from Organized Mom. I don't know, I family style vlogs. I love Bonnie Holeen. I love the Holeen family. They're just so sweet and wholesome. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and get all of this into the aluminum pans. That way I don't have to worry about my pan tomorrow. So I'm going to call this a vlog. Thanks for watching. Be kind to each other. Be thankful to God. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!